Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? How are you today? Are you fine? Okay. Today we have a lesson in the second grade, first term, English language. Our lesson today is Unit 1, Phonics Practice on page 84. My name is Badr Swaidan. With me teacher Fawaz Al-Aqid. Okay. Before we start, we have written for our lesson last time. Okay. First of all, how can you read this word? How can you read this word? Yes, we have F, we pronounce as F, and we have A, pronounced as A, and we have T, and we pronounce as T. Okay. How can you read it? It is fat. Perfect. Fat. Fat. Okay. What about this word? Is it fat? No, it is fate. Fate. Okay. Why is here A, and here as A? Because we have the letter E here. Okay. If we have E, then we will pronounce it as A, not A. So fate, fat. Fate, fat. Okay. What about this word? Yes, we have the letter C, and we pronounce it as K. Okay, can you read it? Yes, it's car. Perfect, car. Okay, what about this? Yes, is it car? No, it is care. Yes, that's right, care. Perfect. So we have car, care, car, care. Perfect. Why? Because we have E here. Okay, what about this word? Yes, we have A and E, so we pronounce as A. It is fame. Yes, that's right. Bravo. Fame. Excellent. Okay, what about this word? It is far. Yes, that's right. Far. Okay, what about this? Yes, we have E and A, so we pronounce as A. Fair. Okay, so we have far, fair. What's the difference? There is E, there is no E. There is E, A. There is no E, so it's A. Far, fair. Okay, what about this word? Yes, it's mat. Perfect. Mat. Yes, that's right. Okay, what about this? We have A and E, so it is mate. Yes, that's right. Mate. So we have mat, mate. Perfect. Okay, what about this? It's easy one. It is and. Perfect. And. That's right. Okay, what about this word? We have A and E, so it's Jane. Perfect. Yes, Jane. Okay, what about this? There is no E, so it's Jan. Yes, Jan. So we have Jane, Jan. The same A, but the difference is the E. There is E, there is no E. Okay? Yes, it's cat. Perfect, cat. So the letter C we pronounce as K. Cat. Perfect. Okay. What about this? Yes, it's hat. Perfect. Hat. Perfect. So we have H, but we pronounce as ha. Okay. So it's hat. Perfect. Okay. What about this? There is an E here, so it is hate. Perfect. Hate. So we have hat, hate. Perfect. Okay. So if we have A and we have E after the letter, so we pronounce as A. Okay. And also we have took another letter here. It is the letter I. Okay. The letter I. I pronounce as I if there is an E after the letter here. Okay. I. Okay. Let's practice more. What is this? It is tap. Perfect. tap, tap, p, not B, it is P, P, okay? So it's tap. What about this? There is an E here. It is tape, perfect, tape, tape. So we have tap, tape, tap, tape. The difference is the E letter here, okay? What about this word? It is, the letter C is K, so it is cap, cap, perfect, cap. What about this? There is an E here, so it is, yes, it is cape, cape, cap, cape. Why? Because we have E, there is no E here, okay? So cap, cape, okay. What about this word? Yes, it's apple, apple, okay? But there is no E here, so I pronounce it as not A, it's apple, apple, perfect. Okay, what about this word? We have A-S-E, so it is vase, vase, perfect, vase, okay. What about this word? Rat, perfect, rat, rat, okay. What about this? It's rate, perfect, rate, rate. There is E, so I pronounce it as A, not A. Rat, rate, rat, rate, okay. What about this word? Now, there is I, letter E. I, letter E. So I pronounce this letter as I. So it is fine, fine, perfect, fine. Okay, so this is fine. What about this word? There is no E here, so it's fin, perfect, fin. So if there is an E here, I pronounce it as I, okay? If there is no E, then I will pronounce the I as E, E. Fin, fine, fin, fine, okay? What about this letter, this word? Yes. T-I-M-E. So we have I, letter E. I will pronounce this letter as I. So the word will become it, what? Time, perfect. Time, time, okay. What about this word? There is no E here, so it is Tim, perfect. Tim, okay. Why this is Tim and this is Tim? Because there's E here, but there is no E in here, okay. Time, Tim, time, Tim, perfect. Okay, what about this small word? Is it ink or ink? What do you think? Ink or ink? If there is I, then letter, then E, I will pronounce it as I. Is there an E here? There is no. So it will be ink. Excellent. Ink. Ink, not ink. It is ink. Perfect. Okay. What about this word? The same. We have I, letter E. So it is hike. Perfect. Hike. Hike. Okay. What about this word? The same. M. Yes, that's right. Mike. Mike. Perfect. Okay. What about this letter? Do you know this letter? Yes, it is the letter G. Perfect. G. And we pronounce it as G. G. Okay. So read this word. It is ring. Yes, that's right. Not ring. It is ring. Perfect. Ring. Okay. What about this word? We have I, letter E. So it is, yes, that's right. Ride. Ride. We have I, letter E. So I will pronounce the letter I as I. Okay. So it is ride. Ride. Okay. What about this? There is no E here. So it will be red. Perfect. Red. Red. So ride, red. Ride, red. Why? Because there is E here. There is no E in here. Okay? Ride, red. Perfect. Okay. What about this small word? Yes, we have I, letter E. So it will be, yes, it will be ice, ice, ice. Okay, so I, letter E. Okay, what about this word? We have I, letter E. So it will be P. Yes, that's right. Price, price. Okay, so price, ice, price, ice. Okay, what about this word? Yes, one by one. B, ra, b, ra, bra, bra. Okay, then this I, is it I or E? What do you think? I or E? If there is an E here, it will be I. But is there an E here? There is E? No. So it will be E. Brick, brick. Okay, so price, brick, price, brick. There is E, there is no E. So price, brick, price, brick. Okay, what about this small word? We have I, the letter I, and the letter N. Okay, can I say ein or in? Yes, that's right. It is in. Okay, there is no E, so it is in. Perfect. Okay, what about this word? We have S, we pronounce it as sa, sa. Okay, so what do I say here? Side, yes, that's right. Side, side. Okay, why? Because I have an E here. Okay, what about this? Yes, the first letter is K, and we pronounce it as K. Okay, so we have K, then I-T-E. So it is kite. Perfect. Kite, kite. Okay, what about this word? We have P, then I. But is there an E here? No. So I will say what? Pick. Yes, that's right. Pick, pick. Okay. After that, we have T-I-G-E-R. So what can I say? Tiger. Perfect. Yes, tiger. Why? Because I have I, letter E. I, letter E. Okay, so I pronounce it as I. Okay, so it is tiger, tiger. Again, do you know this word letter? What is it? What is this? T-I-G. Yes, that's right. G. Okay. After that, we have this word. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. 5. Look at here. We have I, V, then E. So I will pronounce it as I. 5. Okay. What about this small word? We have I and F. What do you think? Yes, it is. That's right. It is F. F. Okay. So we have 5, F. 5, F. So if we have A, then any letter here, C, K, Z, Y, any letter, okay? Then we have E. I will pronounce this letter as A, not A, it is A. Also the same rule here with I. I, then any letter, then E, I will pronounce it as I. Ice, as an example, ice, okay? This is our lesson today. What we will learn today. At the end of the lesson, you will read the letters. Also, pronounce, say, okay? Pronounce the letters in the words, inside the words. Okay, let's start with our lesson. Open your books on page 84 and 85. Open your books on page 84 and page 85. Okay, we will start with page 84. Okay, phonics practice. Phonics, صوتيات. Okay, how to pronounce, how to say, okay, word or letter. Okay, first letter is A. Yes, this is A. This is A in capital and this is A in small. Okay, what is this? Yes, it's apple. Okay, so A says apple. Yes, say it with me. A says apple. Perfect. So we have apple here, starts with A, but I pronounce it as okay? So again, A says, what does it mean says? يقول. Perfect. A says apple. Yes, that's right. So A says apple. Perfect. Okay. So what after A? We have the letter B. We have B in capital and B in small. Okay. What is this? This brown one, what is it? It is bear. Perfect. So we have B, bear. So B says bear. Excellent. So B says bear. Perfect. Okay. What after the letter B? We have C. Yes, that's right. So the letter C here is pronounced as ka. Okay. So what is this? Yes. Can you tell me? Yes. Let's say it together. So C says cow. Perfect. So again, C says cow. Perfect. So we have the letter here C and we pronounce as cow. So C says cow. Perfect. What after the letter C? We have the letter D. Yes, that's right. So we have D in capital and D in small. Okay. Can you tell me what are those? Okay. Can you tell me what are those? Yes, it is. They are ducks. Perfect. Ducks. And one of them is a duck. Perfect. So D says the duck. Perfect. Yes. So again, D says the duck. Perfect. Okay. What after the letter D? We have, yes, it is E. So we have E in capital and E in small. Yes, that's right. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Yes. Yes, you know it. Okay. So E says egg. Perfect. Again, E says egg. Perfect. So we have E, G, and the G we pronounce as g. Egg. Perfect. Okay. What after E? We have F. Yes, that's right. So we have capital and we have small f. Capital F, small f. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, the small one in the water. What is it? Yes. Okay, let's say it together. F says fish. Yes, that's right. So again, F says fish. Perfect. So we have fish. Perfect. Okay. What after F? We have the letter G. Yes, that's right. So G in capital, G in small. Okay. What is this? Yes, we pronounce it as g. Okay. Let's say it together. G says goat. Perfect. Yes, again. So G says goat. Perfect. So we have G, but we pronounce it as g. Okay. So we have a goat. Perfect. What about after G? We have H. Yes, that's right. We have H in capital and H in small. Okay. Capital H, small h. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Yes. Perfect. It is hat. Perfect. Hat. Okay. Let's say it together. So H says hat. Perfect. Yes. So again, H says hat. Perfect. Hat. Okay. What after the letter H? We have, yes. Perfect. We have I. I in capital and I in small. Excellent. What is this? This black one. Can you tell me? We use it to write with a pen. Yes. Let's say it together. So I says ink. Perfect. Yes. Again, I says ink. Perfect. Ink. Okay. What after I? We have the letter J. Yes, not G. It is J. J. Perfect. Okay. So the letter J, this is the shape of the capital, and this is the small one. Okay. What is this? Can you tell me? Starts with the J. Okay, let's say it together. So J says jet. Perfect. Yes. Again, J says jet. Perfect. So we have jet. Perfect. Okay. What after J? Yes, it is K. So we have K in capital and K in small form. Okay. Can you tell me what is this fruit? Yes, we have a fruit here. Yes. Okay, let's say it together. So K says kiwi. Perfect. Yes, again. So K says kiwi. Perfect. Kiwi. Okay. What after K? We have the letter L. Okay. And we pronounce as le. Okay. What is this? Yes. Let's say it together. So L says lion. Perfect. Okay. Again. So L says lion. Perfect. Okay. So after this letter we have M. So we have M in capital, M in small. Okay. What is this? Can you tell me what is this animal? Yes. Let's say it together. So M says monkey. Yes, that's right. Again, M says monkey. Yes, that's right. Okay. What after M? We have N. Yes, that's right. So we have N in capital and N in small. Okay. Can you tell me what is this around the eggs? Yes. Okay, let's say it together. So N says nest. Perfect. Nest. Again. So N says nest. Perfect. So we have N here. Nest. Perfect. What after the letter N? We have O. What is this? Can you tell me? Yes. Okay. Let's say it together. So O says octopus. Excellent. Again. O says octopus. Excellent. What after the letter O? We have P. Yes. So we have P in capital and P in small. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Yes. Let's say it together. So P says pen. Okay. So we have pen. Again, P says pen. Perfect. What after the letter P? We have the letter Q. So Q, what is this? It is quilt. Perfect. Q says quilt. Q says quilt. Perfect. Okay. What after the letter Q? We have the letter R. Okay. And this is the last one of this lesson. R in capital, R in small. Okay. Can you tell me what is this animal? Yes. Perfect. So R says rabbit. Excellent. Again. So R says rabbit. Perfect. Okay. This is the end of our lesson today. We have learned how to spell and read the words and letters in the words. Okay. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.